Texas has no statewide leash law, but Houston and several other cities have local laws that require dog owners to leash, muzzle, or otherwise restrain their dogs at all times when they are in public areas or prohibit owners from letting their dogs run at large. If a dog owner or handler violates one of these local leash laws and you or a loved one suffers harm as a result of that violation, you may be eligible to file a dog bite lawsuit. Dog bite claims, even ones based on leash law violations, can be highly complex. Homeowners' insurance companies often vigorously challenge these claims and refuse to pay dog bite victims what they deserve for the physical, emotional, and financial harm they have suffered. That is why you should seek help from an experienced Houston dog bite attorney if you or a loved one has suffered a serious injury due to a dog bite or attack. It is illegal to walk your dog without a leash if a state or local law specifically requires the dog to be on a leash or under some form of direct physical control. In some cases, an exception may apply. For instance, many leash laws allow dogs to go unrestrained in designated areas or dog parks. A violation of leash law could result in a criminal charge, typically a misdemeanor, and that violation could also lead to a fine. Some laws require the dog to be impounded until the owner pays that fine. If a violation of leash law causes someone to suffer injuries, the dog owner could face civil liability as well. At Fleming Law, our attorneys have in-depth knowledge of Texas dog bite law, including liability based on a violation of a local leash law. If a dog attacked and injured you, we can conduct a thorough investigation of your case and establish whether, in fact, a violation of a leash law caused the injuries. Additionally, our law firm can carefully review your medical records, work records, and other evidence in order to calculate your damages. We may also consult with medical experts and vocational experts. We will pursue full and fair compensation for you through a settlement, and if necessary, we will be ready to fight for you at trial. Call 832-529-4451 or visit FlemingAttorneys.com for a free consultation.